Okay, so I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Sport. What you need to do, first of all, we go to music. We'll see there, that's playing at the moment, it's turned down, but that's the important bit there. There's a silver triangle at the bottom with 3 silver circles, and you'll see there Range Rover Sport with a tick next to it. So any audio that plays on this mobile will come through the system, so long as you've got the system in the right mode. Over to the system, we click the note and the clapperboard, and it's gone on to DVD and CD, and you see there Source Plus. Now if you click Source Plus, that's only going to give you DVD and USB. What you want to do is click My Music. Once you click My Music, you'll see there's a plus there. Click again, and then you've got Barry's iPhone Pro. Little red Corvette playing. I'll turn this up. Prince there, sounding like he needs to tighten the fan belt on his little red Corvette. But that's how you stream audio.